Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. We are greatly blessed and empowered to achieve greatness with our brains and 5 fingers to support humanity through the existence of the wind, water and sand, which our creator Chukwu Okike Abiama uses to sustain human lives and monitor all the activities on Earth, both in the spiritual realms without a mistake to avoid blacklist after death. Truly humans are safe and secure on Earth to witness the creation of our Maker, and to extend kindness to our fellow human beings without evil actions to have peace after death. Today is the 3rd of September 2024, and it's Eek, Market Day in Igbo land. Be blessed in your business and handwork to support yourself and your followers via the wind, water and sand. Receive sound health and ideas to better your business and handwork. Ise, so shall it be. On this Iki Market Day, may you receive sound health and brilliant ideas to prosper in your endeavors. Remember, kindness and understanding bring peace. From Obi Nnukwu Chineke, the blessings of the universe, and from Ikuku Achinike, the messenger of truth after life. Be blessed today and always. Ise, so shall it be.